In the heart of our cities, businesses thrive, pulsating with activity. But hidden beneath this vibrancy lies a layer of unseen risks. As the sun sets, the vulnerabilities of your business don't sleep. The risks of break-ins, theft, and loss are ever present. Your locks and alarms might seem sufficient, but are they truly impenetrable? Or is your business exposed to threats you haven't considered? This is where Grab the Axe steps in. Our physical security assessments are more than just a check. They are your shield against the unseen. Our team doesn't just look at what's visible. We dive deeper, uncovering potential threats that could compromise your business. Every business is unique. That's why our solutions are tailor-made, ensuring your security is not just generic, but specifically designed for you. The cost of neglecting proper security assessments can be catastrophic. Don't wait for a breach to realize the value of thorough protection. Choosing Grab the Axe means choosing peace of mind. Our impartial, focused assessments fortify your business, safeguarding your hard work and investment. Don't leave your business safety to chance. Take control with Grab the Axe. Get your security in hand today.
Grab the Axe, Total Security Solutions.